Hi students, this is the directions video for how to do 2.4, 2.5, and 2.6. This is both in Google Classroom and it's in your packet. So you already did this for 2.3, right? You should have highlighted your vocabulary words. Next, you need to read the sentences below and write the correct vocabulary word in the blank, right? These are our vocabulary words for this week. So to do this, you need to have done your work for 2.1, right? You need to know what these words mean before you can do this practice. And then once you're finished practicing, at the bottom, it says choose 3 vocabulary words from this week. There's an example here, but it's not from one of the vocabulary words, right? You need to choose 3 from this week. So I have to choose 3 of these words to practice with. And I'm going to write the 3 words down here. And then for each word, I need to think of a synonym. That means a word that means almost the same thing. So for example, if I chose the word happy, a synonym for happy, a word that means almost the same thing, is joyful or good, right? And the opposite, an antonym of the word happy, the opposite is sad, yeah? So for each of the 3 words that you choose, you have to think first to make sure that there is a synonym and there is an antonym for that word. Because some words, it's like, what's the opposite? So be careful when you choose your words, okay? And then next, this next job, you are going to go outside of your house. You're going to wear your mask, and you're going to make sure that you give people plenty of space on the street. But for this next job, you have to go outside with your phone, and you need to talk to 3 people on the street who are walking their dogs. And if you know people, they love, anyone who has a dog loves to talk about their dog. So it's a great way to practice your English. So you're going to go outside, find someone walking their dog, and then you're going to ask them some questions. Maybe you start by saying, oh, your dog is so cute, right? And then you're going to ask them some questions about their dog, and you're going to have a conversation. And then you're going to say, can I take a photo of your dog for my school homework? And they're going to say, sure. And then you're going to come back to the computer, or yeah, I think you need a computer to do this assignment. I don't know if you can paste your picture in on paper. Then you paste the picture of your dog, the dog that you talked to, and you write down a little bit of information about the dog that you found out. It doesn't have to be all of this information. It can be just a little bit, but see what you can find out. So you have 3 spaces, one here, and one here to make your doggy photo album, okay? And then for the last part of our midweek, our middle of the week work this week is something called a writing assessment in 2.6. It's not for a grade. Don't worry, you can't get a bad grade. Your job is to show me how your writing is. So be honest, right? I want you to do the best you can, but don't ask your older brother to check it. Don't use spell check. Don't use Google Translate. If you're writing something and you cannot remember the word in English, just write it in your native language. Just write that one word in your native language. Do the best you can. Be honest. Show me how your writing is, okay? That way I can see this year how much you will get better. I can use it to see where was this person, how was their writing in the beginning of the year, And how is it now? How has it changed? Yeah. So you have to write a paragraph to answer this question. Do you think that teenagers in high school should have a boyfriend or girlfriend? Why or why not? I want you to write the best paragraph you can. Answer by first write your answer and then support your answer with evidence or with examples and really explain the way that you think about it. Okay? That's it for the middle of the week work until our class on Friday.